So here I'm going to demonstrate the ultrasonic rangefinder as an application for car parking assistant. So first of all, I will be demonstrating the theory of it. This is our entire map with correct distances, with like true distances, the real life distances, with an angle and with angle here, and that is 90 degree. That's our reference, and which is facing right forward to the sensor. And here we can imagine this as a car park, like a car, the back of the car with a sensor when we're doing car parking. And in this scenario, the car is not moving. Instead, we'll be moving this object approaching the car. This is our breadboard with 4 LED lights. Green means fairly safe. Amber means we're getting closer, and red means we're really close. And with a flashing one, when the object is kind of extremely or really close to our back of the car. And we're using a microcomputer, the Raspberry Pi, to control all of this with my coding here. And now I'll just start it with our true distance or measured collaborated distances. So here's how the light's gonna work. We got green, amber, red, and the flashing red one. So I set as 1,000 millimeter, which is 1 meter away from the back of the car, from the sensor. This will be a fairly safe position. So there will be only a green lights glowing. And when we reach the 800 from that position to this position, there will be an amber LED glow. And when the object is even closer, approaching 600, which is somewhere here approximately, 600 millimeters, there will be red LED glow. And when we approach 400 millimeters, which is quite close, if you can imagine that this is the back of the car and that's the object, there will be a flashing light on. This is our kind of like animation on how this is gonna work, how the lights works. So I just move that away to avoid it being detected somehow. So now here's an object, and right at this edge is 1,400 millimeters, is 1.4 meter away from the back of the car. So as the object's moving closer, this is now 1,200 millimeters. Nothing happened, which is still quite far away from the back of the car. And when the object goes to 1 meter exactly, which is the edge, like at exactly 1,000 millimeter, it's kind of this like it's quite vague, so it's kind of flashing. But once we go 1 millimeter, like from 1,000 millimeter to one less than 1,000 millimeter, it just go steady. It just goes stable. So when the object is moving, approaching the back of the car, even closer, now it's like 900, from 1,000, from more than 1,000 to 1,000 to less than 1,000. And then when we're approaching 800, oops, something happened again. The amber light stuff is glowing. This is our 800. And the amber light is up. As we go closer to the back of the car, and now it's like 650 millimeter. And now when it's at a distance of 600 millimeter, the red light goes. The red light glows, and keep moving closer, keep approaching the back of the car to 400. That is a 400. We got our flashing red light with a very low frequency, because compared, this is still a distance away from the back of the car, and with a beeping sound is now alarming us that there's a object quite close to us, which we need to be aware of. As we go closer to 300 millimeters, 10 centimeters, even closer, we can see and hear that is flashing with a faster frequency, and the beeping sound is faster as well. So when the object approaches 200 millimeters, which is halfway already, it starts flashing faster and hearing the alarming sound even more aggressively. So keep approaching, keep the distance closer and closer and closer to 10 centimeters away. The beeping sound is faster, and the red light flashing is quite with a faster frequency as well. If we go more, even like in a severe scenario that is right this close to the back of the car, the light is flashing very quickly, and so as the beeping sound, the alarming sound. And this is how our car parking system actually works. So if we kind of going away, the frequency of the sound and also the flashing rate it drops, it descends. And now, as we go away from 400, it's not flashing anymore, and keeping going away to now it's over 600, and the red light disappears, and we keep going away. Now it's 800. From less than 800 to more than 800, the amber light just disappear, and even more from less than 1,000 to more than 1,000. We're completely safe now, presumably. And this is how the entire car parking system works, with a monitor tracking the distance here.